Hey folks, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be making fried cabbage with bacon. So all you need is bacon, sauteed onions, chopped up onions, and a big head of cabbage with a little water. So let's get to cooking. I turn my skillet on. And I've chopped up my bacon. And we're going to let this cook until it's nice and crisp. It should take a few minutes. Well, with this dish, you can serve just about anything with it. Fried pork chops, baked pork chops, grilled pork chops. Coleslaw, cornbread. Gotta have some cornbread. After I take the bacon out, I'm going to saute the onions in that bacon grease. Depends on how much is in there. You might have to pour a little bit out. Then we're going to pour the cabbage in there. But you want this nice and crisp because you're going to add it last. So it won't get all mushy and soggy. I poured some of the grease off because it was way too much, so I'm going to saute the onions. See how the bacon is crisp and brown? You want it like that. Just going to put half a teaspoon of salt and a little bit of pepper. I'm going to put in the cabbage. We're going to cook this for 2 or 3 minutes till it gets wilty. It smells wonderful. We're going to pour about half a cup of water. We're going to put the lid on it, turn it down some, and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Then after that, we're going to sprinkle the bacon over the top. That water I poured in there, it makes the cabbage steam and gets it tender, and it's going to be good. The cabbage and bacon is done. I cooked it a little bit longer because I like mine kind of soft, but some people like a little crunch. So whatever, you know, you like. I cooked it a little more to get that water cooked out. Don't that look delicious? I'm going to sprinkle some of this bacon. If the dish is done, it looks marvelous and it tastes good too. So I hope you try it. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.